Hello friends, this is Dr. Satyajit from Sun Homeo Clinic, Barchana, Jajpur, Odisha. Today we will discuss the second part of phosphorus. In first part, we have discussed about the delusion wealth of phosphorus and business talks of phosphorus. In this part, we will discuss the phosphorus, that is the relation with phosphorus in clinic. In business talks of, we have discussed about the delusion seized as if there were three remedies, that is phosphorus, hyoscyamus and cantharis. We have discussed these three remedies earlier, but in this video we will discuss the application of this delusion seized as if in phosphorus case. The question is, the phosphorus patient why comes to a clinic, why visits a doctor? The answer is he feels he is as if seized. In this lockdown and shutdown period, I have treated many patients with phosphorus with good results. They visit us, they visit our clinic when he feels seized. Seized means he is stopped, he cannot move. When an engine is seized, the vehicle cannot move. Like this, when phosphorus patient feels seized, he cannot move. In this lockdown and shutdown, the phosphorus patient feels he is not in a position to visit his own doctor. Sometimes the doctor are not present. Sometimes the vehicle is not present. Sometimes the situation does not permit them to visit the doctor. So he feels no way, no other option. In this situation, he visits us. That is delusion seized. In this condition, he feels as if he is seized and helpless. He cannot help oneself. He required help from others. So he visits us. So in this video, we will discuss the phosphorus patient who comes to our clinic and their adaptation. In our clinic, how he shows himself. When phosphorus patient comes to clinic, he smiles. Why he smiles? Smiling means give communication. He wants to communicate with the doctor. He wants to talk with doctor in a good environment. So he creates a good environment by smiling. That is the adaptation of phosphorus patient when he comes to our clinic, visit us. The second adaptation is he shows himself as if naive. What is naive? Naive means it have no judgment, it have no intelligence. He feels as if he is innocent. Other will feel him as if innocent. It is the adaptation of phosphorus. Actually, he is not naive. In naive, there are other remedies. Belladonna is naive. But what is the difference between phosphorus and belladonna? Belladonna is not only naive, but he is credulous and he is also frivolous. The meaning of naive is very innocent. The meaning of frivolous is non-seriousness. The meaning of credulous is easily believes. The belladonna patient easily believes, easily adjust with situation and thinks that he is no required of anything. So he behaves as if naive. But phosphorus is very intelligent. Although he is naive, but he is intelligent. In the rubric intelligence, phosphorus is there. So phosphorus is intelligent, and there is another rubric which proves the naiveness of phosphorus, but it is to show others. That is increased reasoning. Reason, increased power of. He has good reasoning. He thinks everything. He can thought about future. He can thought about the situation, and he has good reasoning. But he behaves as if he is naive because he wants to show others, to show the doctor he is naive. That is the adaptation of phosphorus. Now we will discuss the third adaptation of phosphorus. That is, he shows patience. Even during treatment, if there is no improvement, the phosphorus will continue with us because he has patience, he shows patience. It is due to two reasons. First, he knows the situation, that is, he feels as if he is seized, he is helpless, so he continues with doctor with patience. The second thing is he knows his disease. Suppose he is suffering from rheumatoid arthritis, suffering from cancer, he knows his disease. There is no other way, there is no other option, so he patiently follows the doctor, he follows all the instruction, and shows patients will not say anything to the doctor although he has no relief. The fourth adaptation is secretiveness. We have discussed secretiveness in our Netramur video in their part 1. The remedies were Ignatia, Lycopodium, Sepia and Netramur. But in this video we will discuss the secretiveness of Phosphorus. Phosphorus wants to remain secretive for his own reason. That means he wants to show doctor that he is saying everything but he is secretive. He wants befool the doctor. He wants escape from the eyes of the doctor by remaining secretive. So secretive is one of the adaptation of Phosphorus by which he can escape from the eye of the doctor. Now we will discuss other important adaptation of Phosphorus, that is undertaking things opposed to her intention. Opposed to her intention means he does not want to do it but he undertakes or does it. But why? Because he wants to show others that he can do everything. In this undertaking things opposed to our intention, there are two remedies, that is Phosphorus and Sepia. The Sepia undertake things because he wants to make happy to their family members. He wants to make a portrait, good portrait in the eyes of the family members. But Phosphorus undertake things opposed to her intention because he knows he is seized, he is helpless, he cannot do anything for himself. So he undertake things although he does not want to do it. Now we will discuss the another adaptation of Phosphorus, that is affection, return affection. In this rubric there is only one remedy, that is Phosphorus. Perhaps other medicine is added with Dr. Murphy, that is Pulsatilla. So two remedies are there, affection, return affection. Pulsatilla shows affection and return affection because he wants love and affection from others. Phosphorus shows affection and return affection. If we will give love and sympathy, if we will treat him good condition, then he will show their affection in return. Sometimes the patient comes with gifts. Sometimes the patient comes with lot of gifts to the doctor. Why he comes? Because he wants to return the affection. He wants to show that he is good relation with the doctor. So that is the affection, return affection in Phosphorus in adult. In children they also kisses, they also cares. He also shows the affection to the doctor. Now the seventh point of adaptation of Phosphorus is clinging, grasp at others. In clinging, grasp at others means he wants to cling, he wants to attach with the doctor, he wants to show others that he has good relation with the doctor, by which he get the good prescription, good medicine, and he want to overcome his situation by clinging the doctor. By clinging in other means, in adult cases, we have also seen, that is he says, I have in treatment of you, please escape from this situation. It is your duty to escape me from this situation. He also demands. In sometimes he give affection, he give loves, and sometimes he demands doctor. It is the duty of the doctor to escape him from the situation. That is clinging, grasp at others in phosphorus cases. The eighth adaptation of phosphorus is he is very intelligent. He intelligently does things. He wants to does things very intelligently. In intelligent, there are main three remedies, that is phosphorus and lycopodium and carcinosin. Lycopodium, what is about lycopodium? Lycopodium is intelligent but negatively. That means he does things negatively. He is negatively intelligent. But carcinosin is perfect intelligent. He has good relation with everyone. He does everything. You can point him. You can show your fingers in any way. He is so clear. He is so intelligent and he does things in such a way. That is carcinosin. But phosphorus is intelligent enough to escape himself from the situation. So he behaves intelligently. He says everything according to the face of the doctor, according to the desire of the doctor. So his intelligence is to escape from the situation. The last thing we will discuss, that is hypocrisy of phosphorus. That is the adaptation. These are the adaptations. The adaptations are smiling. The adaptations are being naive, being showing patience, being secretive, clinging, returning affection, and his intelligence. The last one is hypocrisy. What is hypocrisy? Hypocrisy means fulfilling the other person. He wants to make fool the other person. By making fool, he does his work. That is the main theme of phosphorus. He shows affection, love, being mild, gentle, everything. But everything is his affectation, his hypocrisy. What is the example of hypocrisy? In public meeting, phosphorus says, give advices others, but he does not follow it. So it is the hypocrisy of phosphorus. That is the sheep in the sheepskin of the wolf. So we should know clearly about the hypocrisy of phosphorus before making a prescription. It is easy to make prescription of phosphorus if we know these things. What is their adaptation, why he adapts, and what is his wealth, and how he behaves. This is all about. Thanking everyone.